Hello guys, welcome to Learning Japanese with Master Piggy. Okay, so this video I'm gonna be introducing the verb katsu. Okay, so the kanji is this one, ka, and the hiragana is su, katsu. Okay, this kanji actually because of the meaning that means to win. It's actually I've seen a lot of people with tattoo. Okay, but yeah, it's a very strong word. Okay, so we have the moon here. This one is the power, right, which also looks like the katakana ka actually. But anyway, let's have a look at the forms that we have. So the first one is the dictionary form, so katsu. So for example, the sentence here is zettai ni katsu. Zettai ni katsu. So zettai ni is like for sure, okay? Like for sure I'm gonna win. Nah, for sure you're gonna win. Okay, in this case we don't know because we don't really uh, mention who the subject here is. So it could be I'm gonna win or you're gonna win. Okay, so zettai ni katsu yo, nah, if you're telling that somebody's gonna win. Next one is the masuke. Okay, so tsu is gonna change to chi. So kachimasu. So for example, 相手が強いけど頑張って勝ちます。相手が強いけど頑張って勝ちます。相手が強いけど頑張って勝ちます。So 勝ちます means I'm gonna win. Okay? 頑張って is the verb 頑張る, which means to do my best. 相手 means like the opponent or the person that you're gonna be fighting against. If it's like a martial arts competition or whatever. Okay, 相手. And tsuyoi means strong. So in this case, you're saying my opponent is strong, but I'm gonna do my best and I'm gonna win. It's something that you would say before you go to the match, okay, or the fight. It could be like a soccer match actually. Like so, I think this case would be the whole soccer team, that you're playing against. So it's a very tricky word. Anyway, the next one is the negative form. So katanai, so tachitsu teto. So we change it for ta, katanai, meaning not winning or okay. So I use the same one actually. Aite ga tsuyoi. However, instead of kedo, we have kara. So kedo means but, kara means so. Okay, so aite ga tsuyoi kara katanai kamo. Yeah, so my opponent is strong, so maybe I'm not gonna win. Nah, maybe I'm not gonna. Instead of saying maybe I'm gonna lose, which by the way is gonna be my next video, the verb lose, to lose. You say katanai kamo. Okay? So 相手が強いから勝たないかもしれません. Okay? Is a more polite way of saying the same thing. Now the last one is the imperative form. We have katte. Okay? So this is something that you would say to somebody to cheer them up. Okay? So 頑張って勝ってください. 頑張って勝ってください. So do your best and win. Nah? It's a little bit like pressure, but anyway. 頑張って勝ってください. Okay, we like stretch a little bit here. ください. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one, where we're going to be learning the opposite of katsu. It's going to be 負ける. Okay? Thank you very much, and それではまた次のビデオまで来週ですね。